Hello guys, we are back with our next lecture. In this lecture, let us go through the next question. Okay, so this question belongs to GATE CSC 2015 set 3 guys. Okay, so the given question is consider the following grammar G. S implies F or H. F implies P or C, H implies D or C, okay, where S, F and H are non-terminal symbols and P, D, C are terminal symbols. Which of the following statement are true? S1 says LL1 can be parse all strings that are generated using the grammar G. Option S2 says LR1 can parse all strings that are generated using grammar G. Okay, so among them, which is correct is the question, right? Yes. So only S1, only S2, both S1 and both S2, neither S1, neither S2. Okay. Okay. So I saw a funny thing in this question, guys. So if you observe, from S I can take F and from F I can generate C. Similarly, from S I can take H and I can generate C. So what is this, guys? It is nothing but ambiguity, right? Yes. So I clearly told you one important statement while discussing this parsers and all those things, right? The only statement which I told you is whenever any kind of parser you use, you might use LR, LALR, CLR, any kind of parser you do use. If there is ambiguity, they cannot do anything, guys. So with that simple analysis, we can conclude that in both of them, it is not going to pass. If you want, you can draw the tables and you can check, but it is just a waste of your time. Got it? Yes. So that is the reason why this whole compiler designing subject, if you remember these kind of rules or statements, you can easily get good score in this particular subject, guys, because very rarely we see direct questions in this, right? So if he wants, he can ask to find LALR parser, do LALR and say the number of closures in it, but it is going to take time, right? Can it be done in 2 minutes or 3 minutes? No, it will take some time. It will take around 5 minutes minimum of, right? If you want to concentrate like slowly, if you do, it will take minimum of 5 minutes. So that is the reason why the examiner don't want that, right? Because each and every question in GATE you should solve in 2 to 3 minutes, like according to their knowledge, right? Yes. Or there should be some trick so that it will be done faster. So they cannot ask these type of grammar questions directly, right? So that is the reason why they make these type of questions. And here there is a huge hint here, just by observing the CC and FH I have observed that, right? Yes. So observation is really important in this subject, guys. Okay. Yes. So now I hope everyone got a clear idea, right? Yes. So that is a standard rule that if there is ambiguity, no parser can pass, guys, whichever we have studied. Okay. There could be some other parser which might pass, I don't know, but with parsers which we have studied are not going to pass it. Okay. Yes. Okay. So now I hope everyone got a clear idea with respect to this. So in the next lecture, let us continue with the next question, right? Yes. So let us meet in the next lecture. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more awesome videos like this. Thank you.